One of the best ways to add a recurring Zoom video conference to your course is by first adding the Zoom tool to your course navigation menu by clicking Settings and then the Navigation tab. And then you want to enable Zoom. And to do that, you just drag Zoom up to your course menu and make sure you select Save. And then you can click on the Zoom link in your course menu. You can schedule a new meeting. And from here, you might just call it weekly Zoom video conferences. And you might put a description in here. Use this Zoom video conference link to attend the virtual lectures. You can set the time, or if you set this as a recurring meeting, let's say your meeting is going to be every Tuesday and Thursday, and you start it at 8:25 at 10 a.m. and it's an hour and a half long. You can set it as a recurring meeting, and you can set it weekly on Tuesday and Thursday, and you can set the end date for the end of the term, which is going to be in December. Oops, I'll just go 12/14/2020. And you can check all the options that you're interested in. You can mute participants upon entry, only have authenticator users join, and you can record the meeting automatically, which you might want to do for students who miss the class. And then you select Save. And then when you schedule this meeting, it will actually end up on, you can have it they can add it to their calendars, or it automatically is added to the course calendar. So if I were to go out to the course calendar, you will see here, starting at the end of August, if I have this course showing, let's see here, it is the TLC troubleshooting. You can see that these video conferences are added to the course schedule, and students who are enrolled in your course will also get an announcement that these video conferences have been scheduled, and they will also be added to your to-do list. I hope this has been helpful.